you an Uber driver in Canada making those rides happen and cashing in those fares? But wait, tax time is here. Filing taxes as an Uber driver in Canada can seem daunting, but it's totally doable once you know the drill. Step 1, keep track of everything. That means every ride, every expense, every receipt, gas, maintenance, insurance, you name it. It all adds up and can be deducted from your taxes. Step 2, report your income accurately. Uber will send you a T4A slip outlining your earnings for the year. Remember, you're considered self-employed, so it's your responsibility to report your income correctly. Step 3, claim those deductions as a driver. You're eligible for deductions like vehicle expenses, CCA, phone bills, and even snacks for your passengers. Every little bit helps. Step 4, file your taxes on time. The deadline in Canada is June 15th. File your taxes accurately and on time. Contact us today if you need help.